Thanks, Rob. Go to lunch and turn back the clock. If you have questions about the newest anti-aging technology, we have the answers. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medspa is here to respond to some recent viewer emails. Hi, Dr. Bill.
Good morning.
You had a lot of emails, and I'm going to get right to it because Susie from Arlington, she asks, you keep talking about Thermage, but how does it compare to other skin tightening procedures that I've heard about?
Yeah, there are a lot of skin tightening procedures out there. There's Tighten, there's Affirm, a number of others. And all of these procedures are using heat to apply to the collagen and cause the collagen to shrink, which gives us some tightening.
Right.
And then your body comes in and restores new collagen, which is that natural healing process is really the main thing we're after. Thermage, by the way it works, gets the heat much deeper than any of the other technologies on the market.
Okay.
A recent review article referred to Thermage as the gold standard in non-surgical skin tightening. So we're pretty convinced that it's kind of won the wars among the different technologies.
So the deeper they're able to, it's able to get to the heat, the better the outcome is going to be.
The deeper we get the skin tightening.
Got it.
Correct.
Okay. All right. We have another one. Rachel from Plano. She asks, I have a lot of dark spots and wrinkles that my doctor says are sun damage. What's the best procedure for me?
Boy, Rachel, here in the Sun Belt, we see that all the time. It's a very common problem. And fractional resurfacing is probably the best technique for this. And we do two different kinds. We do Fraxel Restore and we do Smart Side Dot. And recently the Journal of Facial and Reconstructive Surgery referred to fractional treatment as a breakthrough in laser treatments. And what this does, it treats thousands of little tiny dots on an area to basically erase the fine wrinkles, to erase the dark spots. And you can see the before and after difference.
That's a big difference.
Yeah, especially on the around the eyes and some of the pigment changes. Now, to know which one's best for you, it depends on a lot of different factors. So folks are best off to just call and get a free consultation, let us take a look and kind of guide them as they decide which is best.
All right. Well, we want to get to one more. It's from Michelle in Arlington. She says, no matter how hard I work out, I can't get rid of my stomach and love handles. What can be done?
This is maybe the most common question I get, Paige, because we genetically distribute our fat. So we have no control, no amount of exercise. There's no external device that can allow us to change where it's going to go. So what we have to do is remove or destroy the fat in the area we don't want it. And the gold standard for doing that's liposuction. Okay?
And it remains the solid standard. And those differences are really dramatic. And I know that we don't have very much time, and I want to make sure that we also are talking about the specials that you're offering on a variety of these types of treatments.
Well, we're offering $1,000 off on liposuction.
Oh, wow.
We're also offering $1,000 off on fat transfer, and then $500 off on Thermage or fractional resurfacing. And you can add your discounts together, so if you get more than one procedure, we'll add together the discounts.
Great deals. This is the time to do it. Thank you so much, Dr. Bill, for answering all of our questions. We appreciate it. And for more information, you can log on to innovationsmedspa.com, or you can call 972-331-8844 for a consultation. And if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, all you need to do is drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedspa.com. Rob?